Hey everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to log into your Rabobank account online. It's really straightforward and you can do it in just a few minutes. Alright, so first, open up your browser and head over to the Rabobank website. And once you're there, right at the top of the homepage, you will then be able to see the login button. So simply go ahead and click that. Now, here's where it's a little different from most banks. As soon as you hit login, Rabobank will ask you to verify your login method before you even enter your username or password. So you'll see a few options like scanning a QR code, using a Rabo scanner, entering a code from a random reader, or getting a code sent to your email. So if you choose the email option, just open your inbox, grab the verification code they send you, and type it in the box on the website. And once that's confirmed, you will then move on to the next page, where you can then enter your username and password. So after you log in, you'll land on your main account dashboard, where you can then check your balance, transfer funds, or manage your savings. And that's it. So it's super easy and really secure. If this helped you out, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.